My name is Karina.
Hey, I'm George.
And I'm Samantha, and we're doing a how-to video for geometry.
Okay, we're going to construct a segment, a congruent segment to AB. I'm going to use my straight edge to make a line. Okay. And I'm going to label this point E right here. I'm going to use my compass to measure AB. I'm going to put my stylus on A. I'm going to put a tick mark on B right there. I'm going to use my stylus. I'm going to put it on E. I'm not going to move it. Same length. I'm going to make another tick mark right here. I'm going to name this point right here F. And that's how you do a congruent segment. Okay, what you're going to do first is you're going to line up the compass on the points. And you're going to put the pencil part on at least half, more than half of the segment. And then all you're going to do is just line it. And then you're going to do the exact same thing you did right there on the other side. Okay, let me do a little bit more over here. Okay, now you're going to get your straight edge, and you're just going to make the two lines, see if it's on the same line, and if it is, then that's the midpoint. And right here, that's your midpoint. We're going to be constructing an angle bisector, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the stylus on the corner. I'm going to make tick marks. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put the stylus on one of the tick marks on the vertical. I'm going to go right here, make a little bit of a tick mark, a big one. I'm going to go on the other tick mark. You're going to put your stylus. You're going to make another tick mark, a big one on top. What you're going to do is you're going to use your straight edge. You're going to put it right in the middle. You're going to get one of your writing utensils. And you're gonna just make a straight line, a line across. Make sure it intersects. And that's your intersecting your bisector.
Okay, so what we're doing today is constructing two congruent angles. So the first step you do is get your straight edge and just make a straight line. You name your point. You name your line Y, and then the second step you do is you get your compass and you spread it at a comfortable way, and you just draw a line across and make sure that the line intersects with the two lines, and then you come over here to the second one, the straight edge that you drew, and you do the same thing. With this one, you do it a little bit more longer. And then, third step, you go all the way back here to the first one, and you measure from this intersection to that intersection. Measure it, and then you keep it the same. Make sure you don't move it. So you go to the bottom intersection, and then you draw a line across. So now you have an intersection right there between those two lines. So that means that this angle, this line, is congruent to this line. So you get your straight edge and make sure that the intersection and the point are straight, and you just draw a line across, and then you name your angle X, Y, Z, and that are your two congruent angles.